Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring minimal prerequisites, Python code requirements, TXT and Docker installed. First, create a Docker file using Python 3.11 Slim as base. This keeps the image small and secure. Then set workdir to /app copy requirements. TXT and run pip install no cache dir to avoid bloated layers. Next, copy your application files, expose the Flask port, and define CMD to run Unicorn or Flask run. Once done, save the Docker file and create a Docker ignore to skip virtual environments and caches. Now you optimize and build. If your app needs compilation, use a multi-stage Docker file so build tools don't end up in the final image. Otherwise, the slim base suffices. Make sure to declare env flask env equals production and env port equals 5000 to clarify runtime behavior. Use Unicorn with workers to serve Flask in production. This handles concurrency better than the dev server. Then run docker build tmyapp latest. Watch the build output for cache hits and layer reuse so incremental builds stay fast. Finally, run and verify the container locally by mapping ports and supplying environment variables. For example, docker run p5000, 5000 env file. Env myapp, latest so you can hit /health and other endpoints. Once validated, tag the image for your registry and push it. Integrate this into CI for reproducible builds. If something fails, inspect Docker logs and Docker inspect for environment and port mappings. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure your Flask app binds to 0, 0, 0, 0, not localhost, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.